Hello and welcome to another series of today's GK. Let's begin with previous day practice question. Question was the word Vallamkalli denotes salt tolerant paddy, a species of fish in Karnataka, waterfall on Pennar river or boat race in Kerala. The correct answer is option D, boat race in Kerala. The famed Champakulam Moolam boat race held on July 12 is the expansive Pampa River near Champakulam village in Alappuzha district marked the official start of Kerala's snake boat racing season. Popularly called Vallamkalli, boat races begin right after the first phase of the monsoon with the Champakulam boat race. Traditionally, the races are conducted during the harvest season and are often associated with the Onam festival during the August-September period. Hence, option D is correct. Some main races are Kumarakom boat race, Nehru Trophy boat race, Paipad Jalotsavam. Now let's begin today's session. First question is Deaf Expo 2022 to be held in Gujarat, Assam, Tamil Nadu or Uttar Pradesh. The correct answer is option A, Gujarat. The 12th edition of Biennial Deaf Expo is scheduled to be held in Gandhinagar, Gujarat from October 18th to 22nd, 2022. Hence, option A is correct. The 5-day event will witness 3 business days followed by 2 public days. It will be held in a 3-venue format across an area of over 1 lakh square meters at Helipad Exhibition Center, inaugural event and seminars at Mahatma Mandir Convention and Exhibition Center, and live demo at Sabarmati Riverfront. Next question is in which of the following countries Langya virus has been recently detected? Somalia, Uganda, Namibia or China? The correct answer is option D, China. Researchers have begun tracking a newly identified virus in China with dozens of cases recorded so far. The novel Langya henipavirus, that is LayV, was first detected in the northeastern provinces of Shandong and Henan in the late 2018. But it was only formally identified by scientists recently. Hence, option D is correct. The virus was likely transmitted from animals to humans. LayV is most closely related to the Mojiang virus, which was discovered in southern China. In people, the virus caused symptoms including fever, fatigue, cough, loss of appetite, and muscle aches. Next question is recently the word ichnites was in news. It is related to space, defense, glacial studies, or fossils. The correct answer is option D, fossils. Preserved footprints, also known as ichnites, are trace fossils that have survived millions of years. These are found in earthen materials that were soft enough to form the foot impression and hard enough to retain it. Over the time, the material dried, hardened, and was covered with layers of sediment, helping the impression become fossilized. In numerous instances, soil erosion is now bringing them to the surface. Hence, option D is correct. Next question is Diksha platform comes under Ministry of External Affairs, Ayush, Home Affairs or Education. The correct answer is option D, Ministry of Education. Diksha is the platform for providing quality e-content for school education in states and union territories and QR-coded energized textbooks for all grades, one nation, one digital platform. Diksha compiles with the World Wide Web Consortium, that is W3C, Web Content Accessibility Guidelines or WCAG 2.0 level AA. This enables people with visual impairments to access the website using assistive technologies such as screen readers. Specially, content for visually and hearing impaired is developed on Digitally Accessible Information System, that is DAISY, and in sign language on NIOS website or YouTube. It is the initiative of the Ministry of Education. Hence, option D is correct. Next question is the Panchayat's extension to the Scheduled Areas Act was enacted in 1996, 1997, 1998 or 1999. The correct answer is option A, 1996. The PESA Act was enacted in 1996 to provide for the extension of the provisions of Part 9 of the Constitution relating to the panchayats to the scheduled areas. Hence, option A is correct. Under the Act, scheduled areas are those referred to in Article 244(1), which says that the provisions of the 5th schedule shall apply to the scheduled areas and scheduled tribes in states other than Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. The fifth schedule provides for a range of special provisions for these areas. The PESA Act was enacted to ensure self-governance through Gram Sabhas or village assemblies for people living in the scheduled areas. It recognizes the right of tribal communities who are residents of the scheduled areas to govern themselves through their own systems of self-government. Next question is, what is the AGM-88 HARM? Corvette, fighter jet, missile or submarine? The correct answer is option C, missile. Recently, the USA has supplied some anti-radiation missiles to Ukraine, which could be fired from some Ukrainian Air Force aircraft. These missiles are named AGM-88 HARM. The acronym HARM in the AGM-88 HARM Air-to-Surface Missile stands for High-Speed Anti-Radiation Missile. It is a tactical weapon fired from fighter aircraft and has the capability to detect and home into radiation emitted by hostile radar stations that have surface-to-air detection capabilities. The AGM-88 HARM is 14 meters in length but only 10 inches in diameter. It weighs around 360 kg and carries a fragmentation-type warhead that is optimized for radar targets. It has a range of more than 100 km. Hence, option C is correct. Next question is, which of the following best describes vasculitis? A disorder, virus, fungal infection or a bacteria? The correct answer is option A, a disorder. Vasculitis is simply an inflammation of blood vessels. Inflammation is the natural response of the body's immune system to any injury or infection, which in normal course can help the body fight invading germs. However, in vasculitis, the body's immune system turns on healthy blood vessels, causing them to swell up and narrow down. There are around 20 different disorders that are classified as vasculitis. Angiitis and arthritis are used as synonyms for vasculitis. Hence, option A is correct. Next question is, the live fire exercise is associated with space, forest, census or military. The correct answer is option D, military. In a massive show of strength, China began its live fire exercise near Taiwan recently, launching at least 11 ballistic missiles into the country's coast. They are exercises primarily used by military personnel in which live ammunition is used to create training conditions that are as close to real combat scenarios as possible. During live fire training, soldiers are placed in simulated combat situations and are given the opportunity to use their weapons and equipment. Such exercises are invaluable in maintaining the combat readiness of troops. Hence, option D is correct. Next question is, an unofficial court held by a group of people in order to try someone regarded, especially without good evidence, as guilty of a crime or misdemeanor is known as jackal court, wolf court, squirrel court or kangaroo court. The correct answer is option D, kangaroo court. Recently, Chief Justice of India said that kangaroo courts run by the media are causing harm to the health of the democracy. Oxford Dictionary defines it as an unofficial court held by a group of people in order to try someone regarded, especially without good evidence, as guilty of a crime or misdemeanor. Hence, option D is correct. The origin of the phrase is not clearly known, but it is believed to have been used from the 19th century onwards. Last question is, the golden billion theory was coined by Anatoly K. Sikhanov, Stalin, Bill Gates or Elon Musk. The correct answer is option A, Anatoly K. Sikhanov. As the Russian invasion of Ukraine entered its 5th month, Russian president invoked the conspiracy theory of the golden billion that is allegedly out to dominate the world and impose its will over unwilling nations. The theory of golden billion or Zolotoy Milliard in Russian has been around for 30 years. It accuses wealthy Western elites of having amassed wealth by exploiting the rest of the world. Golden billion was coined by a Russian named Anatoly K. Sikhanov in a book titled The Plot of World Government, Russia and the Golden Billion. Hence, option A is correct. Now it's time for the practice question. Micronesia is located in Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean or Pacific Ocean. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching.